Hello, welcome to another project edition where we use Esql to solve real-life solutions, real-life problems really. In front of you again, the senior officers have come to us to see how we can approach their current situation. If you've watched the previous video, they were with us, they came to us before and asked us to apply to kind of bring up a new way that they can work with Excel. Now they've come again because they want us to add more features to the last problem they had. So what did they have before? They wanted us to give them a simple solution where new staffs coming into their company will not have to sit down with so much hours trying to solve issues in Excel, applying filters and doing multiple training that cost them a lot. Now in front of you, you can see they are here with us again, Tamara, Sarah and Patani. They want us to add a new filter, which is the last time was just one filter we added. We gave them one script which all their staff were happy with. Today we're going to take it one step. So I'm just going to be more faster now because I've done previous video where I showed you how to use Esql, how to navigate the interface and do everything you wish to do there. So for today, what do they have for us to deal with? As you can see in front of your screen, this is their project aim today. I'm just going to get ready to be able to kind of pinpoint and give you a rundown of what they have today. So this is their project aim. What they aim to do is to filter the amount column again, like last time, like I did explain. They want all this raw data, as you can see, which is the raw data here. They want to filter this raw data. We did this bit for them the last time. They filtered out all the amounts greater than 50, which, like I did before, they don't want to see all these amounts that are 50 or less than 50. They wanted to see just 600 and 788. They have come today again because they have more business requirement. What do they have extra for us? They want us to develop that same application, that same script that we did give them before. They want now to add a new feature in the script. What do they want to add? They want to, this is A, we solved the A portion. Now they've come for us to go to a B model to develop in addition to what we gave them before, to add this B. B, what do they want in B? The decision should be equal to result 1. That means they want us to, in addition to filtering this amount column, they want us to also filter the result based on the decision column. Now what they want to get is only where this criteria is met, the amount criteria is met, and also the result, the decision criteria is met. Now they're looking at where the result should be equals to result 1, which is, as you can see, is just this. And at the end of the day, they want the result to look like this. Now this looks simple to you, but guess what? As the data, as in different companies that have had the opportunity to work with, this data could be very, very large, very, very complex with multiple criteria. So what this company will be able to achieve with our solution, once we develop this model, they will be able to use it to solve countless filter conditions that they might need to make swift decision in their operation. And as you can see, they're not looking happy, and we're about to solve it for them using Esql. Now we aim to achieve this without, as you can see, without using formulas, and also advance or new staff coming into the company or top senior executive should be able to use this script to drill down into the data and get the required result. What does this mean? We should be able to meet this constraint which everyone with zero Excel knowledge should be able to use this script. So how are we going to achieve this? So in achieving this, this is the same scenario I'm looking at. What am I going to be using today? The same solution like before. Excel is a data source. The solution will be ESQL. ESQL will go into Excel with the same SQL we used before, but adding an extra bit to the SQL to provide the result. What will be the result? We should have something, not this, this is just for illustration purpose, but you're going to see how we dig into SQL, using SQL into the Excel to get this result. Now, as we move along now, we hope at the end of the day, like I did before, to make every new staff or every team within the company, be it data analyst, be it financial staff, operational staff in different departments they are in, they will be able to use this model without having any guru knowledge on Excel. So how am I going to achieve this? So I'm just going to demo it to you right now, where I'm going to use ESQL, put in the code and provide the solution. So bear with me right now while I end this presentation and dig right into ESQL. So as you can see now, I'm just going to bring ESQL up. Yes, this is ESQL. If you're not familiar with the interface, it sits inside Excel. And to start ESQL, like I said before in the previous video, if you've not followed us, please go and watch the previous video so you can get up to speed to where we are in. I'm going to go slow and steady, covering multiple industry scenarios, different scenarios I've met all through my time in different industries, and hope to solve multiple scenarios and multiple bottleneck in company operations. Now I'm going to click start, and I'm going to use the bigger screen. Same thing like I did before. Where's the data? I'm going to come to table 1. Just so you know, I'm using table 1. This is a dummy data, a sample data that we're given. Your business operation could have larger data, could be thousands or millions. As long as Excel can pick it, this code will still work. So let me now visualize what they want. Based on, just a recap, based on their project aim, they want where, as you can see, the amount is greater than 50, which means they don't want to see this first line of 20. They don't want to see 40. They don't want to see, let's see, they don't want to see 20. They don't want to see 40. They don't want to see this next 20, 50, and 10. That's the first criteria. Then the next criteria, they want it to only be where the result, this decision column B, where the result is, where the decision is result 1. Just going to color that out now. Yes. So I hope it's not looking complex, because we are. I'm trying to kind of approach this slow and steady. We're going to go slow and steady to business critical data, advanced manipulation, and you see how easy and flexible ESQL will continue to solve it in different dimensions. Now, what is the code to solve this? The same code. If I've explained this code before, please go to our previous video, what it does. Where we stopped in the last video is to meet the first criteria they gave us, and that worked perfectly fine. Now, to proceed to the next criteria they've asked us, is just for us to add in this syntax, and as you can see, where the decision equals to result, and this is how you put it in ESQL. All I need to do now is simple, just hit the run button. So I'm just going to hit it now, and we should be able to see the result here, and hopefully ESQL will show us how it's kind of continue with the operation on the left hand side. So as I'm clicking now the run button.
SQL operation started.
As you can hear, ESQL has started. It's giving you visualization, what it's doing behind the screen, and that is how fast ESQL has finished the operation. What do we have here? Perfectly the result what they want, and we have a graph to go with it. This graph is, you can manipulate this graph in any way you want. You can click on this button here to get any visuals you want, design it how you want. It's all left to your imagination, really. So I'm just going to leave it at this now. This is how finally the result should look like. You see it immediately that 600, they got 600 where the decision result is result 1. Guess what? I'm going to take it one step forward. I'm going to add a comment to this. So if you're not familiar with comment, this is kind of to store this script so they can use it and they can know what the script does. So how do I add comment to this? As you know, in the previous video I've talked about how to add comments, and every single thing operation you do in ESQL, it gets stored in the activity page, which is the history. As you can see, my mouse going down to activity page, but what I need to do first is to click on comment button here. So I'm going to click on comment button there now. I'm going to select I think today I'm going to go for, let's go for green, light green. And now it has highlighted this part and put kind of telling me where to put my code. So this project aim is to get 2 conditions. I can just put 2 conditions here, and creating this space. The first condition is amount greater than 50, and the next condition is where the decision, as you can see there, is equals to result 1. So what you see here can be now shared with different staff in the company if this is the criteria they want for a staff to be using every single day, every single month to generate results of any kind. This script does it all. No need to learn multiple formulas in Excel or have the fright of anxiety of doing different things. Now, as you can see here, this is now a snippet of the result. You know, this code provides this result, as you can see. And that is the end of this project. I'm just going to now go back to the home screen. That is all about this project. We have been able to solve it together, and this script is going to be handed over to the project managers, and we hope they will be looking as happy as this. And we hope also, as you can see, we have achieved the project aim of adding 2 conditions and delivering what they want once again. So just so you know, this project is also use cases, issues that are happening within the financial industry up to social industry. They do need to put multiple criteria together to achieve what they want. I will be going slow and steady to approach industry cases where I can go on and on how it can be achieved in the financial industry. It could just be